Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Marga and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys we're gonna make beef cecina platter with manchego cheese and cream. So because I would like to let you know guys it's a Spanish platter with beef cecina. So let's start. So now guys we will make beef cecina platter. So you can see it's beef cecina. So we will make his platter. So over here we have a platter. So right now I am slicing this cecina. So I will put here. Now slicer machine is running out. So now guys we will cut this manchego cheese. You can see so it's a manchego cheese which mostly used in a Spanish cuisine. So we will cut this manchego in a cube shape. So same like in a cube shape we will cut. So you can see it has been done already. Same it will be like a cube one. Now we will use this black grape as well as and we will wash it first. We will just put on the running water these grapes so it can be wash it nicely and we will put on the tissue paper to strain this his water. So now I put this black grapes on the tissue paper because I want to strain his water. So I will just flip it and now I will put this one on the platter. So you can see this guys. So you can see guys now our cecina platter has been ready.